Hello guys and welcome. Today's video will be about Pond5. Pond5 is a popular and reliable online marketplace for royalty-free media, offering a vast collection of high-quality stock of videos, photos, music tracks, sound effects, and more. And in this video, we will show you one of the standout features and benefits of using this Pond5. So one of the standout features of Pond5 is its extensive and diverse library of media assets with millions of items available for licensing. It caters to a wide range of creative needs and preferences, whether you are a filmmaker, a graphic designer, content creator, or business owner. You can find a plethora of options to enhance your projects. The search functionality in this Pond5 search functionality on Pond5 is robust and user-friendly. It allows you to refine your search based on various criteria such as type, resolution, duration, genre, and more. This makes it easy to find the perfect asset that aligns with your specific requirements. So let's look for something random like a dark green cafe. Okay. No, this is not what I expected. Oh, cafe. I know what they meant. And let's look for a restaurant. Okay, what's wrong with this dark green? Not now. Okay. I think the A is the problem. Nope. Okay, let's change. Yellow. Textured door. Okay. Okay, I'm talking Chinese or something like this. Something is wrong, but it's not my problem. So the quality of media assets on, like I said, the quality of media assets on Pond5 is consistently impressive. The site has rigorous review process to ensure that only top-notch content makes it to the marketplace. The commitment to quality is evident in the professional grades, visual, crisp audios, and overall production value of assets available. And another aspect of this. Wait, let's see the 3D. No, let's see the footage. Another aspect of that sets Pond5 apart is its pricing structure. While it offers assets at various price points, including budget-friendly options, the overall pricing tends to be competitive compared to other stock media platforms. Furthermore, Pond5 offers a variety of license options, allowing you to choose the license that best suits your needs, whether it's for personal or commercial use. Pond5 platform is intuitive and easy to navigate. The website is well organized with clear categories and tags that makes it simple to locate any type of media you are looking for. Additionally, the purchasing process is straightforward with instant download available after completing the transactions. So customer support on Pond5 is generally reliable. They provide assistance through various channels, including email and live chat, and the prompts is in addressing and issues of inquiries that may arise. So here we have the company, how to contact us here. So let's go back to Pond5. So let's look for something here. Let's look for a sound, wind, cartoon, roar. Can I listen to it? The quality. Why did think people can't? Oh, they know people will just record it. That's why the price is very low. The real sound and the edited one. The loop. You can find any sound you are looking for. Literally any picture, any sound, any videos that you will be looking for it on this website, but you will have to pay for the licensing because people can just go after you because you are stealing pictures. So overall, Pond5 is highly recommended resource for anyone in need of high quality stock medias. Its extensive collections, user-friendly interface, reasonable pricing, and commitment to quality makes it an excellent choice for creative professionals and individuals alike. Whether you are working on a personal project or a large-scale production, Pond5 is a go-to platform to find an exceptional media assets that elevate your work. So I think that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need any help, just if it's about the website, you just contact the sales here or the customer support like here. Contact us. They have all the information. They have offices in New York, Prague, Geneva, Dublin. And if it's about something else, write it in the comment or ask someone.